Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our next unit from Social Study book. Next unit is our World Climate. Page number 7. Unit name is World Climate. Second unit, World Climate, page number 7. So open your books. Before we discuss our lesson, I would like to tell you the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day variation of atmospheric condition locally, and climate is the variation of weather condition over long period of time, usually year. After I finish the lesson, I will send you the pictures of weather and climate. From that you can understand very easily. There is a different seasons: summer, autumn, winter and spring. Now look at your book. Effect of climate. See how climate affect people in their daily life. If we recall, we have different eating habits, different activities in different season, and we change our habits and activities according the season. And climate affect us in many ways. The way our houses are built, the clothes we wear, food we eat, and whether we can have an indoor life or an outdoor one.
Factors that affect climate. The climate a place has depends on different factors, all of them linked to the geography of the place. Let us see those factors. Latitude or distance from the equator. The equator, that is the latitude of 0 degrees, gets the most direct rays of the sun. The latitude of a place tells us how close or far away it is from the equator. The place nearer to the equator is hotter or warmer, and as we move away from the equator, places get cooler, as the rays of the sun fall less directly on them. Jakarta is very close to the equator, while New York is quite far away from it. Look at the table, showing the temperatures in December in these two places. Another factor that affects climate is altitude or height of land. The altitude of a place also affects its climate. Highlands like mountains and plateaus are much cooler than places where the land is at sea level. This is so even if these highlands are close to the equator. Such places, if they are very high, will also get snow. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa is 5,895 meters high and has snow at the top, even though it is almost on the equator. Distance from the sea also affects the climate of a place. Because of water and factors that affect climate. Children, we all are aware that some days are hot and some are cold. Some are windy and some are rainy. Sometimes it is sunny in the morning and rainy in the afternoon. This happens because of the changes in the atmosphere of a place. These changes in the atmosphere over a short time are called weather. The regular pattern of weather that a place has over a long time is called its climate. For example, a place that usually has very hot summer and very wet monsoon has a hot and wet climate. A place that has a very cold winter and pleasant or nice summer has a cold climate. The way we live depends on the climate. The kind of houses that people build depends on the climate of a place. Weather can change in a short period of time, but the climate of a place does not change for hundreds of years. Ladakh, in North India, has a cold climate. Houses here are built to get a lot of sunlight. Kerala, in South India, has a wet climate. Here, houses have sloping roofs. so that the rainwater can flow away easily. Factors that affect climate. The climate a place has depends on different factors, all of them linked to the geography of the place. Let us see those factors.